Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this top with fringe, and it's for medium size. I'll explain you at the video how to make it bigger or smaller. And I use these two yarn. I use this one, Nako Calico, mainly, and I use one ball of yarn for make this 8 solid square. And you will need a little more for the fringe, and I add a little from this one, Nako Venus, at the fringe. I think you need maybe 30 or 40 grams of yarn for the fringe. Okay, you need 140 grams of yarn, and this yarn is cotton and acrylic, and one of them is 245 meters. Okay, you can calculate like that. I use mainly 4.5mm crochet hook, and only for here and for the straps I use 4mm crochet hook. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start. At first I want to explain you how to make it bigger or smaller. When I made these squares before joining them to each other, one of them was 7 inches long. Okay, and now when it's finished, you see I made single crochets here and add here the joining part. It's almost 8 inches, more than 8 inches. Okay, so we use 4 square for here. Just measure yourself around your chest. Okay, I measure myself and it's a little more than 32 inches. I think it like 32, and divide it 4, we will find 8. Okay, and I didn't make it 8 inches long because it will be loosening up a little bit. I know this, so I made it 8 inches long, and it will fit me. If you are small, you can make your squares 6 inches long or 5.5 inches long, because it will loosen up, as I said. If you are large, you can make it 7.5 or 8 inches long. You can make it bigger like that. Okay, I have this 8 square, and I will make them like that. That's the front side. Okay, you can think it like that. We will use half of this square for the front side. Okay, if you think that's front side, you will need 3 more for the back side. Okay, when we join them, you will understand easily. Maybe it's complicated now, but you can think it like that. We will put here and here and here. Okay, we will join them like that, and at the end we will join this part to this part. For the attachment, just put this front side inside, looking to each other. Okay, put these two together like that. Take the yarn and join from this corner. Grab the yarn and make a chain. I will insert my hook into that first double stitch, okay? And I will insert my hook here. Just take the 2 loops, okay? Grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. You can make a single crochet if you want. It's not too important. Just take these 2 loops and these 2 loops. Make a slip stitch. I'll take the 3rd double crochets, 2 loops, and 3rd double crochet here too. Make a slip stitch. I will just keep making like that and join these 2 parts together. I made the last 2. By the way, I changed my mind and I made single crochets, because every time I made a slip stitch I made them so tight, so it looks more good like that. I think I made single crochets. And I'm at the corner. I will insert my hook here and make 1 more single crochet. Okay, and cut the yarn. I will join all of them like that. Okay, I have 3 more. I will join them like that too, and then I'll make the joining from these sides. I complete all of the joining from this side, and I will not cut my yarn here. I'll directly go and join from this one. Just put these 2 together like that. And I will start from here. At first I will insert my hook into the corner and make a single crochet. Then take the loops from here and here and keep joining. You will finish from here and make a single crochet into that corner. Then join the other one from here like that, and then the other one like that. Just join all of them together and I'll see you. I finish all of the joining. Now I will join this part to here. That's the last part. You can turn all of it like that. And join this side to this side. Complete it and I'll see you. I complete the joining, and you can use it like that, actually make some straps and use it like that, but I want to make a little touch here. I want to make single crochet and then I'll make the straps. I'll insert my hook, take the yarn and make a single crochet here. By the way, I'm using 4mm crochet hook now. I want to make this a little tight. You see this joining, I'll insert my hook here and make a single crochet. and then into that space make a single crochet, and I have stitches from now on. Just make a single crochets. When you came here, you can make 2 or 3 single crochet here for turning easily. And when you came here, just make a single crochet here and here and here and here and here. You can put 5 single crochets here. There's no stitch, you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can make it like that. Just make single crochets around here, and I'll see you. I complete my single crochets as I told you, and I made one strap. Now I will make the other one. I only use half double crochet, and I made it 9 inches long. But you can make it longer or shorter if you want. You can wear it now and make your own measurements. Now we will make the other one. You see, I made 3 single crochet here. And into that first one, I will grab the yarn and make a chain like that. Then I will make 40 chains. I will complete it and turn again. I complete 40 chains, and now try not to twist these chains. And as you see, I made 3 single crochet here. And that's the first one. I will insert my hook here, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. And make 2 more slip stitches. That's 1 and 2. Yarn over and turn your work. Okay. And now I will make half double crochet into that back loops. That's the first one of. It's too hard without nails. Yes. And now it's easy. And I will just keep making half double crochets like that. I'll see you at the end. I made the last one, and I will insert my hook into the 3rd single crochet here and make a slip stitch. Okay, you can join it like that, or you can join it like, sorry, I will fix it. Just cut this loop. Use a yarn needle. And insert your needle into the 3rd single crochet. Okay. And then hide these tails. We almost complete our top, but we need fringes. This time I use this book. It's not too big as you see. If you want, you can make longer fringe, of course, and if you want, you can use cardboards. I'll just wrap the yarn around the book like that, and I made so many straps. Just wrap the yarn, and when you complete, just cut the yarn from here, only one side, okay? Cut them from here, then we will put them into the top we made. I start to make the fringe, and I'm using 2 pieces of yarn like that. Time to time I use this one and this one, or 2 of this yarn, okay? Time to time I put them like that. I skip one, and into the next one I'll insert my hook from back to front. Grab this yarn and pull it through. Make your fringe like that. I will skip this one and into that next one. Make a fringe. And I will make one here, one here, and one for these 2 chain space. I will put 3 for these 2 chain spaces, okay? And then I will keep making. Skip one and into the next one put a fringe. I only put 10 pieces of yarn for here. I like to make it like that. If you don't, you can just make the same thing for everywhere. And it's finished. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you make it, please share it with me too. Series Crochet is my Instagram address. You can reach me there. You can write comments below about this tutorial or any tutorial I share with you. And I don't have any written pattern, sorry for that. I don't have enough time to write patterns, so I just share videos with you, and I hope that could help to understand how to make them. If you want, you can make a little cuts. You can trim the long straps a little. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.